If you are hearing about life insurance for the first time, confused between LIC, term plan, ULIP, afraid of insurance agents, unsure how much insurance you need, then this video is for you. Life insurance is not about death. Life insurance is about protecting the people you love. Today, I'll explain everything from zero level. No English confusion, no sales talk. After this video, you'll know whether you need life insurance, which type is right for you, how much cover you need, what mistakes to avoid. So, watch till the end. Part 1. What is life insurance? Life insurance means a promise that your family will be financially safe if something happens to you. You pay a small amount regularly. If you are no more, the company pays a big amount to your family. Life insurance equals income replacement. Simple example. If you earn 50,000 rupees per month and tomorrow you are not there, who will pay house EMI, pay school fees, run the home? Life insurance answers this. Part 2. Who needs life insurance? You need life insurance if someone depends on your income. You have loans. You have children. You have parents depending on you. You don't need life insurance if no dependents, financially independent family. Life insurance is for family protection, not for returns. Types of life insurance. 1. Term insurance, best for beginners. What it is? Pure protection, high cover, low premium. Example, 1 crore cover, rupees 500 to 700 per month. If death occurs, family gets full amount. If not, no maturity, and that's okay. 2. Endowment plans, traditional LIC. Insurance plus savings. Low returns, high premium. Good for disciplined savers, not ideal for beginners. 3. Money back plans. Periodic payouts, low protection, low returns, mostly missold. 4. ULIP. Insurance plus market investment. Needs understanding. Long lock-in. Not recommended for beginners without knowledge. How much life insurance do you need? Simple formula. Divide 15 to 20 times your annual income. Example, income 6 lakhs a year, cover needed 90 lakhs to 1.2 crore. Also consider existing loans, children education, family lifestyle. Never buy low cover. Policy term. How long? Policy term should be till retirement age, 60 to 65. Reason, after retirement, income dependency reduces. Longer term equals cheaper premium if bought early. Riders, extra safety. Important riders for beginners are accidental death rider, critical illness rider, waiver of premium rider. Riders cost little but give big protection. Common mistakes beginners make. Buying insurance for returns, listening blindly to agents, buying low cover, not disclosing, ignoring riders. Avoid these to avoid claim rejection. How to buy life insurance? Steps: assess need, choose term plan, compare online, declare health honestly, choose nominee, keep policy documents safe. Online purchase is transparent and cheaper. For beginners, 1. Term insurance is best. 2. Buy early, buy enough. 3. Separate insurance and investment. 4. Protect family first. Life insurance is not for you. It's for the people who love you. If this video helped you, like the video. Comment, life insurance clear. Subscribe for simple finance content. Share this with beginners because right insurance decisions save families.